Today we're going to talk about a pre-cruise hotel that we stayed in, the Bourbon Orleans Hotel in the heart of the French Quarter in New Orleans. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, John here from Byte Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thanks so much for joining us. We talk about cruise stuff every single day. Hit that little subscribe button. Come along and join us on this fun journey. So today we're going to talk a little bit about a pre-cruise hotel that we stayed at, which was the Bourbon Orleans Hotel. Now, long, short reasons why we stayed here. One, it's in a cool area. If you're going on a cruise and you want to check out the French Quarter, this is a cool spot. Two, it's supposed to be one of the 10 most haunted hotels in the country. We'll talk about that. So we decided to stay there. It wasn't very expensive. It was only a few $100s. I think we wound up paying somewhere in the neighborhood of $300 for it, which isn't terrible. It's a very nice hotel. As you can see, the lobby's very nice. The restaurant there was very nice. The people there were very nice. We got there early. We did get charged $35 to check in early. Check-in time was 4. We got there around 12. I didn't necessarily need to check in early. We would have just dropped off our luggage, but we have camera stuff and all. So I paid the extra $35. We checked in our room, and then we wandered out to the French Quarter. Now, it was the day before St. Patty's Day. I didn't know St. Patty's Day was a big deal in New Orleans. I guess everything's a big deal in New Orleans. But they were doing like a parade. There was a bunch of stuff going on. So if you're going down there and you want peace and quiet, this is not the place for you. So we went out. So I didn't realize also, like, if you walked out of our hotel and you made a left and a quick right, you're on Bourbon Street. Like, you could see Bourbon Street from the window of our hotel. We were on the first floor. So that was interesting, to say the least. So we went out, we wandered around Bourbon Street. It's fun to do for 20 minutes. When you're older, when you're young, I'm sure it's amazing. So we wandered around. Meg got a little poem written for her by one of the street poets. We saw some street music. We had a really nice time. We had a fun time. We went to lunch. We had a great lunch at a restaurant there, which you'll see in our vlog. We do a whole vlog of the day, which will be coming out in a few days. We had a blast. So we got back to, we did a ghost tour at night. Very fun. So we get back to the hotel at night, and there was a karaoke bar and nightclub right across from the hotel. And they were going strong until about 1:32 in the morning. We fell asleep, but it is not easy, and it is loud, and if it does, like, who cares? We're going on a cruise, so it didn't affect our lives. But it was definitely, if you're looking for peace and quiet, you would not have enjoyed it. However, as you can see, the hotel was very nice. The room was comfortable. We had 2 queen-size beds. The bathroom was very nice. The hotel is old. It's an old building, so it doesn't have like fancy amenities, but utilitarian-wise, very nice. We had breakfast there in the morning before the cruise. It was great. The haunting part of it, we didn't see anything, obviously. Like, there was nothing going on. We stayed up late. We did the whole 9 yards. We went to a ghost tour right before it, so we were geared up. Nothing. There was no noises, nothing going on. We walked around the hotel a lot. We checked out all the little nooks and crannies. It's a cool story, but there was nothing going on. And then otherwise, they do have a really nice pool area. We checked that out. A little courtyard in the middle. That was very nice, as you saw in the video here. But all in all, very nice hotel. I would not stay there again, as the proximity to the French Quarter and Bourbon Street is so close, and it's so loud and noisy there. But it was a fun experience to do once. I had a good time. If you're going down to party or have a great time in the French Quarter, this is the place for you. It's right there. You're dead in the middle of everything. But we had a great time. It's an interesting hotel. Check it out. Like I said, it was only a few $100s a night. So if you're looking for some fun and adventure before your cruise in New Orleans, thumbs up. Otherwise, if you want peace and quiet, we'll give you some other recommendations. Thanks so much for watching today. We're going to get into the rest of the vlogs coming up from our NCL Breakaway Cruise. Check those out, and join us any Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock Eastern Time for our live stream. We look forward to seeing you there, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.